A very important trade setup on USDJPY that is presenting itself right now for a sell opportunity on the 4-hour chart and also Euro USD 4-hour chart as well. From here, you can see that the market is beginning to show a little move to the upside on Euro USD, and I'll be talking about this very trade setup in this very video. So watch this video till the very end. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about Forex day trading strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more Forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other Forex content. On the USDJPY chart, I'll be talking about the market coming back to the downside, and that this very level where the market is right now is very important, and there is a high capacity of the market coming back into this very area of important support. So this very support level is very important on the chart. So there is a tendency of the market moving a little bit to the downside from where it is right now at this very price level of 145.76, okay, where the market is right now. Market have capacity of coming back down into this very level of support, and that is what I am looking at the moment, for market to come back down, and then we must see that the retracement coming to the market very soon. So in as much as we are expecting market to come down, there is an inevitable retracement that is going to come into the market within this very area where the market is at 145.82 and this very zone of important support. So expect retracement right now on the 1-day chart USDJPY, okay. And like I said earlier, the USDJPY chart, the market has been in favor of the JPY, that's the Japanese yen, and I believe retracement is just at the corner for the market to retrace in this very formation from this very area to the upside, and then continuation again to the downside. On the 4-hour chart right here, there is a very important trade setup, and I talked to you about keep selling the market. If you watch this video right here, I say sell USDJPY, which is very clear in this price analysis. I talk about you selling USDJPY, and that is what we are seeing right now on the chart. I still expect this market to move to the downside. So a entry presented itself at this very point where the market have this very little upward move, and they come back a little bit at this very area. So I am expecting this move to come back to the downside. I believe market should come back to the downside from this very point, okay, and your stop loss have to be slightly above this very level of important resistance at this very area, and then a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio is very fine. I don't want to go a little bit higher, okay. So from here to this very point of important support, this is where I am expecting this market to get into. So 1 to 2.17, okay, which is very fine. So if you are risking $1 and you are getting $2.17 in return for this very position, it is a nice position to take. So I believe this market should come back down into this very area of important support right here, okay. And then we can see the market come back to this very area, and then from here market will begin to move upward, okay. That possibility is very possible right now in the market. So this is what I am now expecting on this very 4-hour chart on the USDJPY. And on Euro USD, if you look at what the market have been doing on the 1-day chart, I told you that in as much as we see the market move upward to this very area, come back down for retracement, move again, create a new high, come back down, end of retracement, market move upward, I am still expecting that this market continue this movement all the way to the upside, which is very important. And we are still very in this bullish formation on the 1-day chart Euro USD, and that is what I am expecting, okay. Today, tomorrow, and enter into next week before the CPI data, see the market move upward, okay. Now the CPI data is the only data that can change the direction of this very market, but in as much as the CPI data have not been released, still expect the market to move upward, and the CPI data will have the impact in the movement of this very market to the upside. And this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So at the moment, since we are waiting for the CPI data next week, the market is going to move upward. Okay, so look for buy opportunity on the 1-day chart, Euro USD. But on the 4-hour chart, something very important here is that the market have a nice trade opportunity as well. Just like we see on the USDJPY chart, on the Euro USD, a nice opportunity as well on this very chart is here. And from this very point, okay, market is going to move to the upside. I am looking at a buy position. From this point where the market is, market should move upward. Okay, so from here is a good, nice buy opportunity. I've been talking about looking for buy position on the 4-hour chart, Euro USD. So from here, where the market is at the moment, okay, market should move to the upside, and this is very, very important right now. So your stop loss slightly below this very level of support, okay, at this very price level of 1.0893, and then your reward have to be a little bit higher to this very point, okay, to give us at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. So this is what I am expecting right now. The market should move from here to the upside to this very target, okay, for this very trade setup. And this is what I am personally expecting from the market right now on Euro USD 4-hour chart. The market should move upward. Now, this is my own directional bias. You may not agree with what I am saying in the market right now, and you may have a different opinion. So you must not take this very setup. So if you have a different opinion or contrary setup from what I am saying right here, then comment below in the comment section. Let me see how your setup looks like and what you are expecting on this very Euro USD 4-hour chart, and also on USDJPY 4-hour chart as well, for the market to move all the way to the downside. And this is very important right now on the chart. Pay attention to buying the market instead of setting the market on Euro USD, as the 1-day chart will continue this movement to the upside, and also on the USDJPY 4-hour chart, market is going to come back down in line with what we're seeing on the 1-day chart right here. Market will still have capacity of coming back to the downside on USDJPY 1-day chart. So all of this is a very important setup on Euro USD right here, and also USDJPY. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this. Also check the channel for other forex content, and if you've not registered with any broker, I have a recommended broker for you in the description of this very video. So check it out right now and do your registration with the recommended broker. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.